Today, I am going to show you how to make video subtitles using Captions AI. First, everyone must open any browser. After opening, you will find the link to this website in your description. Click on this link, and you will land on this website. When you land on this website, you need to scroll down a bit, and here, you will find an option named Add Subtitles. Click on it. A new format will start to open. Once the new format opens, just scroll down a bit. You'll see the Upload Your File option. Click on it, and another new format will open. As soon as this new format opens, you'll have the option to choose your file. Click on it. After clicking, another new format will open, and from there, double-click to start the upload. Once your video is uploaded to this website, you'll find the Add Caption option. Click on it. After clicking, it will start adding captions. I think it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to add these captions. Here you go. Your subtitles have been added to the video. Let's play it now.
I had some tantrums of saying, I can't do this is too hard. When I was a kid and comparing myself to everyone else and saying, I can't do it, I'll never be able to do that. My parents always sat me down and said, look, Nick, yes, there are things that you can't do, but don't say I.
Let's see how we can download it. For this, you need to click on the download button. After clicking, the download will start. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to complete the download. Let's wait for the download to finish. There you go. Your video has been downloaded. Now, you need to test it here. Click on the test option, and the download option will appear. Once the download starts, a notification will appear on the top right. As soon as it's downloaded, it will be in your laptop and PC's download section. You can view it anytime. That's the method of using Captions AI and inserting subtitles with AI. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.